I'm Dr. Hallis. This is Dr. Bauer. We're here in Austin, Texas, talking about quad, hamstrings, IT band, and how to foam roll them. So, Dr. Bauer has a wonderful line that separates, turn towards you a little more, his quad from his hamstring. Most people think that the quad is in the front of your leg, which is true. But your quad extends all the way to the back of your leg. So when you foam roll your quad, you can foam roll the front of the quad, or you can foam roll all the way to the side, and you're still on your quad, because the quadricep runs almost all the way to the back of your leg. So when you're foam rolling your quad, don't forget, roll all the way on to the back side of your leg to get all the different parts of the muscle belly. So this is the line between Dr. Bauer's quadricep, his IT band, and his hamstring. So if I push here, you can see how his IT band sticks out and his hamstring's on this side of the line. So if you want to foam roll your quad goes all the way to the back of your leg. So foam roll all the way back into here, not just your hamstring and not just the front of your leg, but all the way to the back to work on your quad.